Symptoms of a bad wheel bearing. As you are undoubtedly aware, a car cannot operate securely or correctly without strong, reliable wheels. You might be surprised to learn that the wheel is anything but a basic part. Actually, the design of a wheel involves many intricate details and multiple interdependent parts that need to work as a unit. The wheel bearing is a prime illustration of this. Wheel bearings are essential to the proper operation of your wheels. More specifically, to the proper operation of the hub, tire, and assemblies. It's important to recognize the warning indicators because they can be abused. So, stay tuned as we uncover the most common symptoms of a bad wheel bearing. 1. Humming sound. Noisy wheel bearings are the most easily recognized and prevalent symptom. It can be confusing though. For instance, other problems like tires and the CV joint may be the cause of a humming noise. 2. Growling or squealing. Wheel bearings that are worn out often make screaming and/or snarling noises. As the speed of the car increases, the sound gets louder. Make an effort to locate the noise, as this will indicate where the worn-out bearings are. 3. Tire wear unevenly. Wheel bearing wear may be indicated if one tire wears out more quickly than the others. It might also indicate that the tires are misaligned, the vehicle's suspension parts are worn out or broken, or the tire is incorrectly inflated, i.e., either too much or too little air pressure. Car pulls over to one side. When applying brakes, a car may pull to the left or right due to worn bearings. The direction in which the vehicle pulls indicates either the left or right side of the vehicle, depending on which bearings are worn. This, however, may potentially indicate issues with the braking calipers or rotors. 5. Vibrating steering wheel. The steering wheel vibrating may be the result of faulty wheel bearings. As the car accelerates and makes left or right turns, the intensity rises as well. Nonetheless, an out-of-round tire, which can have a flat patch, or an unbalanced tire could be the cause of the vibration. Worn out or damaged suspension parts are another factor. Wait a minute. If you're finding value in this video, consider subscribing to our channel. Subscribing ensures you stay in the loop with our latest content. Hit that subscribe button now and let's dive back into the current video. 6. Loose steering. Worn bearings may be the source of the issue if there is excessive play in the steering, which makes the steering appear less accurate or responsive than usual. This can also indicate that the wheels of the car need to be aligned. Visit a dealer service or vehicle repair shop if you see any of the above-mentioned indicators. 7. A clicking noise. There can be an issue with the wheel hub assembly if you hear a clicking sound that gets louder when the car speeds. 8. ABS malfunction. In the event that the wheel, tire, or ring wobbles or sways, the wheel's speed sensor malfunctions, or the ABS operates intermittently, or not at all. The anti-lock warning light may illuminate. For repairs, consult a specialist. 9. Wheel swaying. By raising the car and manually examining the wheels, technicians can detect wheel sway. Normally, shaking the wheel and tire would be impossible. If it moves, though, the hub assembly has to be fixed right away. If you don't repair your vehicle, the tire and wheel could literally come off at any time and at any speed. And there you have it, the unmistakable signs of a malfunctioning wheel bearing in your vehicle. When you start noticing these symptoms we've discussed, taking swift action is essential to avoid further damage to your vehicle and ensure your safety on the road. Before you go, we'd like to thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving the video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Your support keeps us motivated to create more content that empowers you as a car owner. Safe travels, and until next time!